Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use DeepSeek v3 model for free online. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google DeepSeek v3. You'll be having the official link from DeepSeek. Click that, and here they will be having two options. One is to access the API and another one is just trying out the model of v3. So just click here and make sure that you are signing in. After that it will ask you to sign in, and here you are having the interface quite similar to ChatGPT. You have the file upload feature and you have the web search feature as well as the deep thinking feature in case if you are solving any reasoning problems. And the great thing about this model is that this is entirely open source, and some claim this model to be equivalent to openai's O1 model, which is amazing. And in case if you want to see the GitHub page or the Hugging Face page, it's totally available. Just Google DeepSeek v3 Hugging Space, and here you will be having more information about the benchmarks when compared to the other models, and in computing, in programming, the SWE benchmark and evaluation metrics. So you can just go through it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.